Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, it will get highlighted, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And then you can press the lower button, or not the lower button, my bad. You can swipe up on the screen to close the quick panel, and that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon again. It will go back to the gray or white color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.